After all the time, effort, and resources you've put into your product, you don't want compliance issues to delay getting it to those who are relying on your product for treatment. During the fill and finish step, proper documentation needed to achieve GMP compliance is vitally important to avoid any potential issues. When completing this documentation, a manual process is labor-intensive, invites fatigue that can lead to errors, and also has implications on data integrity as well as workflow management. But you can minimize these risks and optimize the workflow when you automate documentation with the Finia fill and finish system. Finia positively identifies the disposable set. This ensures the catalog number, lot number, and sequence number are correct, and the set is previously unused. Throughout the process, Finia logs events and actions of the procedure in support of maintaining a detailed process record. This includes server software connection, authenticated users, periodic hardware operational status, all errors or flags, and all with their associated timestamp. It logs information for materials used during a procedure through a barcode scanner and touchscreen interface. If there are any atypical or potentially adverse device conditions, Finia will notify the operator. At the end of the process, you'll receive a summary that shows the planned and actual volumes for all material and product bags and any flags encountered during the procedure. Minimize errors, meet compliance requirements. Get your product to those who need it most when they need it most. To get the facts on how Finia can optimize your process, visit terumobct.com/FiniaFacts.